How to add music to Facebook story with multiple photos. First, open the Facebook app on your device and now tap on Create Story. Over here, you want to select a couple of photos, so tap on Select Multiple. Once you do that, scroll down and then you want to select the image that you want to add. Now tap on Next. So here you have two options, separate stories and photo collage. So here, let's go for photo collage. Now over here, as you can see, it is arranged in this way. Now you can drag this and then adjust it however you want as well. Once you have done that, all you want to do now is tap on the music icon here, and from here you can add a song. So you can choose any song which is available here, or you can also search for it from here. So let's say this one. So you can change the view by tapping on the lyrics and you can see the different layouts from here. So select whichever you want, and you can also drag this and adjust the lyrics however you want. So once you have done that, tap on Done, and this is the song. So now you can make this small and adjust it wherever you want. After you have done that, you can tap on the share button, and that is how you can share this story with multiple photos. So this is just one story. I'm going to show you another way on how you can do that. So let's go for separate stories. Now here it's going to show up like this. So each photo is going to show up as a separate story. So now tap on Edit, and here you want to tap on Music. So you can scroll down and select music from here as well, and the editing is basically the same. You just want to select a layout, drag the lyric, and then tap on Done. So this is how you can do that. All you have to do is tap on Done, but this process has to be followed for each of these stories. So go ahead and tap on Edit and then add a song from here. Then tap on Done. So you have to do this for all of your stories. And once you do that, tap on the Share option at the bottom of your screen. So this is how you can add music to Facebook story with multiple photos. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.